everyone, welcome back to Fusion Food Adventures. Today, we're stopping by El Premium Food Mart because I've been craving some tropical fruits. And what better place to explore than the vibrant Mississauga Chinese Centre?
Use the right lane to turn right, then turn.
The Mississauga Chinese Centre is the perfect spot to spend a few hours shopping, eating, relaxing, or simply wandering through unique surroundings. Join me as we dive into the supermarket to see what tropical treats they have in store. Ready to come along? Let's head in and explore. Just a few doors down from El Premium Food Mart, you'll find the food court near the main entrance, marked by blue signs. But there's more than just food to enjoy here. Explore unique statues, a beautiful fish pond with a gazebo where you can relax, and a variety of shops and restaurants. Parking can sometimes be a bit challenging, but arriving early on a weekday, like we did, makes it much easier. Also, don't miss Old Peking Duck Restaurant. I also have a separate video where I review and rate this restaurant, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for joining me on this mini adventure through the Mississauga Chinese Centre and El Premium Food Mart. I hope you enjoyed exploring all the tropical treats and unique spots here with me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.